So in this video, I'm going to be talking about bond energy and enthalpy. So what's going on is you need to know that when bonds are formed, that in itself releases energy, and when bonds are broken, that requires energy. So this kind of confused me in the beginning because in AP biology you learn rather the opposite, but you need to know that in order for bonds to be broken, you would imagine that when bonds are broken, it releases energy, and that is true to a certain extent. But in order to break the bond in the first place, it requires a lot more energy than the energy that it releases. Hence, the breaking of the bond is considered like endothermic, like requiring energy, while the formation of a bond releases a lot of energy. So you can imagine kind of like two magnets like finally colliding with each other and finally being attached to each other. But once that, like the moment they clash onto each other, it releases like a bunch of energy. So that's why it can be kind of considered like releasing energy. So yeah, it says over here, formation of a bond releases energy and exothermic process. Yeah. And the, breaking of a bond is more endothermic. And there is the expression like the, like over here, if you want to calculate the overall energy of this formation of a new compound and the breaking of previous compounds, we can use this formula, right? Energy required and energy released. So what's being broken down in here is H2 and F2, like the intramolecular bonds are broken down to create new ones. And in order to calculate the energy, overall energy or change in energy, you would need to find the energy required for the formation of new bonds minus energy released from the bonds formed.